Watch you know. Same thing we are talking about. You still are going to have Jamaicans who still do the thing. You see people them can utilize the space, left garbage. But you see watch that? You see action, and me alone can do this. You hear? Everybody, when you say you're clean, you can do them as signature. People left cup on the river. Nobody now walk up there and now collect and pick up garbage. But they keep the place clean.
You're fucking dead.
Activity. Nastinest, man. Cleanliness.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Keep your river clean. On the war river for coming in summer, keep this grass clean, man.
Now have to do this, and you can do it too. Now walk up and pick up behind nobody after me. You know my blood clad pickney.
Look how river nice. Keep your ass river clean. So they're not gonna have no more river for come.